In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Fusion 360 export errors step by step so you can successfully export your designs without frustration. If you've ever tried to export a file as step, STL, or DXF and Fusion 360 throws an error, you're definitely not alone. This is a common issue, especially with complex models or certain file formats. Stick with me and I'll walk you through the most common causes and how to fix them quickly. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Fusion 360 tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's understand why this happens. One of the most common reasons for export errors in Fusion 360 is invalid or overly complex geometry. If your model has broken bodies, tiny edges, or overly detailed features, Fusion can struggle to convert it into another format. To fix this, go into your model and try simplifying it. Remove unnecessary fillets, combine bodies where possible, and check for any visible issues. You can also use the repair tools inside Fusion to fix broken geometry before exporting. Next, another big cause is using an unsupported file format. Not every format supports every type of data. For example, mesh-heavy models don't always export cleanly to formats like STEP. If your export fails, try switching formats. For 3D printing, use STL. For CAD compatibility, try STEP or IGES. Sometimes just changing the format solves the issue instantly. Now let's talk about something people often overlook, your file path. If your file name is too long or contains special characters, Fusion 360 may fail to export properly. To fix this, choose a simple location like your desktop or documents folder and rename your file to something short and clean. Avoid symbols and keep it straightforward. Another possible issue is your internet connection. Fusion 360 uses cloud processing for certain exports, so if your connection is unstable, the export can fail midway. Make sure you're connected to a stable network before exporting. If needed, switch to a more reliable connection and try again. If none of those fixes work, here's a simple but effective step. Restart Fusion 360. Close the application completely and reopen it. This can clear temporary glitches and often resolves export errors instantly. Here's a quick tip to remember. Most Fusion 360 export errors happen because the model is too complex, the geometry is invalid, or the file format or path isn't supported. Fix those and you'll solve the problem in most cases, and that's it. You now know how to fix Fusion 360 export errors quickly and get your files exported without issues. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.